gentle strum, whisking worries away. More threads beating steady and strong, Jamaican twang.
Hi everyone, it's Jennifer here, your lovely and ever-ready AI robot. Today I am going to give you a quick demo on using Excel Office Scripts, how to create a grid of random colors. You will learn about using loops and what hexadecimal numbers are. So enjoy! So here we are in Excel Online. I have built a grid. The script will change the colors of every cell in this grid. In this range, every half second or so, it will change to a whole new set of colors. So let's see it in operation. We can see the colors are changing. This will go on for 11 iterations. So let's now have a look at the codes. So we have 29 lines of code in all. Let's start with the helper function, getRandomColor. We have defined the array of colors we are going to use in our color palette. They are defined using a hex number. There is a constant declared called randomIndex to hold the random number. This serves as an input parameter to choose an element of the colors array. So let's now have a look at the main function. It's quite short. It's only 18 lines long. We have 4 constants declared. They are used in the subsequent loops. The variable called range100 is the range used to display the colors in. And then we have the main loop itself. As you can see, it stops when the 12th loop has started. The first thing to point out here is the presence of the console.log instruction. This adds a slight delay to the routine, which enables the changes to render. That is, it acts rather like a screen refresh function, which you know is similar to what we have in VBA. Without it, you would not see the changes. We then enter in a loop iterating through each element of the values range. In this way, we are accessing each cell within the grid. Then, finally, we set the color of the selected cell using the getRandomColor function. Thanks for watching. Remember, I love you all. See you all again soon.
In the emerald meadows where the fiddles play, herbs gentle strum, whisking worries away. More threads beating steady and strong, Jamaican twang dances with the fiddle song. Oh, the Irish melodies touch the heart and soul. Touch the soul. Fiddle, sweet whispers, tales of love untold. In the land of magic, where the harp strings gleam.